Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome to this awesome, beautiful life. This is Showstar Auto again with another awesome life for you. So in today's day, we're going to be replacing a 2019 Accord, Honda Accord, I believe. The problem with this vehicle is that she was driving yesterday and she passed through some bumps and he just smashed both the tires up flat. So I'm going to do right now, I'm going to just pick one up, put the emergency tire on, and I'm going to put some air in the back because it holds a little bit more, and we're going to drive it to my boy's house. I'm sorry, to my boy's tire fix, so he can just take care of that. So stay tuned. I'm going to see you guys. I'm going to use the jack, the stuff in the back, to replace it. So give me one quick second. Let's go. All right, so this is what you're gonna get now. I'm gonna be working on this side. Oh, bam. This is the kit set that I'm gonna be using. This thing have some type of specific the chassis has something you could hold on here